When people create a new YouTube channel, they usually start uploading videos without turning on some very important settings. Please don't make this mistake. Today I'm going to show you 9 of the most important settings. Once you turn them on, your YouTube channel will be fully set up and ready to upload videos. People often ask me which settings I enabled when creating my channel, so make sure you watch this video until the end. By enabling these settings, you'll unlock more features, make your channel more secure, and even increase your chances of getting more subscribers. Even if your channel is very old, watch this video till the end to make sure all your settings are correct. For the first setting, go to YouTube Studio. In the bottom left corner, click on the settings icon, then select channel, and after that, click on feature eligibility. Here you will see 3 types of features: standard, intermediate, and advanced. Standard features are automatically enabled when you create a channel, as long as your channel does not have any active community guideline strikes. Next, we have intermediate features. This one is very important, because without enabling it, you cannot upload videos longer than 15 minutes. You cannot live stream, and most importantly, you cannot add custom thumbnails. So this is the first setting every creator should turn on. To enable it, click on Verify Phone Number. You'll then be redirected to another page where you need to select your country and enter your phone number. After that, click Get Code. Enter the verification code you receive, and congratulations, your phone number will be verified. Finally, we have advanced features. These allow you to apply for monetization, add clickable links in the video description, create community posts, pin comments, and unlock many more features. To enable advanced features, you first need to have intermediate features enabled. Then you must choose one of 3 verification methods. The first method is video verification, where you simply look at your camera and follow the prompts to record a 30-second verification video. The second method is verification using a valid ID, where you upload a picture of a government ID, such as a passport or driver's license. The third method is building channel history. In this method, you simply stay active on your channel and keep uploading videos. Usually within about 2 months, your advanced features will be enabled automatically. I recommend using the video verification method because it takes the least amount of time. After selecting this option, you'll receive an email, and through that, you can easily complete the verification process. Once you finish it, you will have access to every YouTube feature. For the second setting, go to the channel menu and open the basic info section. Here you will find the option to select your country of residence. Although this setting is self-explanatory, many creators have a common misconception. They believe that if they select a certain country here, their views will also come from that country. For example, many people who want a US audience select United States here. But don't make this mistake. YouTube clearly states that the country selected here only determines your eligibility for the YouTube Partner Program. So if you live in India, select India. Otherwise, you may face monetization issues later. The third setting is just below this, called Channel Keywords. YouTube doesn't give much explanation about it. It simply says you should add keywords related to your channel. A good starting point is to add your channel name as a keyword. Then you can add other keywords related to your content, niche, or topic. For the fourth setting, click on Advanced Settings in the channel menu. Here you'll see the option to choose your channel's audience. Made for kids or not made for kids. So which one should you choose? You should select Made for Kids only if your content is specifically created for children under the age of 13. For example, if a video can be watched by both adults and children, that does not mean it is made for kids. In most cases, creators should mark their videos as not made for kids. However, if your channel is something like a nursery rhymes or children's learning channel, where the content is clearly designed for children, then you should mark it as made for kids. For most creators, the correct option will be not made for kids. Now let's move to setting number 5. If you go to the videos of any well-known YouTuber, you'll notice that their videos usually have very long and well-written descriptions. Writing such a long description for every video can take a lot of time. To save that effort, go to Channel Settings, Arrow Upload Defaults. Here you will see options for default title, default description, default visibility, and default tag. In the default description, you can add a short introduction about your channel, include your social media links, and add relevant hashtags. Then in the tags section, add your channel name in a few different variations and save it. From now on, whenever you upload a new video, this description and these tags will already appear automatically. Next, click on Advanced Settings, where you'll find another option called Allow Automatic Chapters and Key Moments. Chapters can be very helpful, especially if your video covers multiple topics. They help viewers navigate the video easily and can also increase watch time. If this setting is turned on, YouTube may automatically add chapters to your videos. While that sounds helpful, automatic chapters are not always accurate, so it's usually better to create chapters manually. For the next setting, go to Channel Customization in YouTube Studio and click on Basic Info. At the bottom, you'll see an option to add contact information. Here you should add an email address for business inquiries, such as collaborations or sponsorships. The mistake that many creators make is adding the same email address they use to create their YouTube channel. If you do that, your main account email becomes publicly visible, which increases the risk of hacking. A better approach is to add a different email address, or create a separate email account specifically for business inquiries, so your main account remains secure. And speaking of security, there is another very important setting coming up later, so don't miss it. Next, let's organize the channel page. Go to the Layout section in the Channel Customization page. The first option is to add a channel trailer. This is the video that appears on your channel homepage for new visitors who haven't subscribed yet. After that, you can select a featured video for returning subscribers. This video will be shown to people who have already subscribed to your channel. If they have already watched that video, it won't appear again. Next, there is the option to turn on or off the For You section. This section recommends videos based on a viewer's personal interests. If you enable it, you can also customize what type of content appears there. Finally, we have the Featured section. This allows you to divide your channel page into different sections, such as popular videos, playlists, or featured channels, giving your channel a clean and organized look. The next setting can help you gain 100 to 200 extra subscribers every month. To access it, go to the Branding section on the Channel Customization page. Here you will find the option to add a video watermark. This watermark appears in the bottom right corner of your video and works like a subscribe button. When viewers hover over it, they get the option to subscribe to your channel instantly. You can upload your channel logo or a subscribe icon here. You can also choose when it appears, at the end of the video, throughout the entire video, or at a custom time. Now let's move to the final setting, which is extremely important for your channel security but is often ignored by many creators. This setting is called two-step verification. If it's turned off, YouTube Studio will usually show a notification saying that your account is at higher risk of attack. Simply click Get Started, select the device where you want to receive notifications, add a backup option, and click Turn On. Congratulations, your account is now fully secured. These are some important settings every creator should configure when starting a YouTube channel. Of course, a channel doesn't grow just because the settings are correct. If you really want to grow, you need a proper roadmap and strategy. If you follow everything explained in this video, your chances of becoming a successful YouTuber this year can increase dramatically. So go ahead and watch the next video, and I'll see you there.